In this video, you'll learn how to slow down voiceover in ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you will be able to adjust the speed of the voiceover to better suit your needs, ensuring a more natural and engaging delivery for your audience. Begin by opening the ElevenLabs website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, locate the login area, enter your credentials to access your account. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you have entered the correct username and password. After successfully logging in, navigate to the main dashboard. Here, you will find several options. Look for the option labeled text-to-speech and click on it. This action will take you to the voiceover creation interface where you can begin customizing your audio output. Next, you will need to choose your desired voice. You can select from a variety of options, including female, male, or even a custom voice if you have one set up. Take a moment to listen to the available voices and choose the one that you feel is best suited for your project. Once you have made your selection, you can proceed to adjust the settings. In the settings menu, look for the options labeled stability and style/speed. Depending on the version you are using, these may be located in different areas. To slow down the voiceover, lower the style/speed or playback speed setting to range between 0 and 30% slower than normal. Additionally, set the stability around 50% to maintain a natural sound. Note that some versions of ElevenLabs do not provide a direct speed slider. Instead, you will adjust the pace by lowering stability and using punctuation or line breaks effectively. To further enhance the pacing of the voiceover, consider implementing text tricks. Adding commas and line breaks can create longer pauses, resulting in a slower and more natural delivery. For example, you might format your text like this: "Hello, everyone. Welcome to our story." By incorporating these elements, you can control the rhythm of the speech more effectively. Once you've made these adjustments, look for the button labeled Generate and click on it. This action will initiate the voiceover generation process. After a brief waiting period, you will be able to listen to the audio playback. If the voiceover is still too fast, go back and add more pauses or line breaks to your text. If the audio sounds unnatural, you can adjust the stability settings slightly to improve the quality of the output. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.